So now I did not get a reply from Lewis, but I did get one from Eric. Hey guys, this is day 13 of me sharing my experiences building Matix as a 24-year-old entrepreneur. So today I'll tell you about the power of cold emailing. You'll notice our platform is very similar to Chess.com and Duolingo, and we call ourselves like a combination of both but made for math, which is the perfect way to do it because then it feels like a game, it feels like a sport instead of just being a subject. And so very early in our days, that is in November, I emailed the CEOs of Duolingo and Chess.com, so basically Lewis and Eric, telling them about the platform and asking for some help. So now I did not get a reply from Lewis, but I did get one from Eric. Now straight up front, he asked me 3 questions. First, okay, tell me more about your product and why should people care about it. Second was the question, why should they come back on it. Third was, how are you thinking of getting more people into it? And those were like 3 straight direct questions he first wanted to know. Then when I told him the answers to that, his reply was, okay, I like this approach, I like what you're building, and I'm not sure if he tried it out or not, but since then I've made it a habit of every month sharing with him about any updates that we have, asking for some advice, what worked, what did not, etc. And he has been like really helpful, and like it is a very amazing thing for me being the CEO of such a big company, and he has time to help me out every time with my problems. I hope more people were like him. But anyway, so lately I'm again starting with cold emailing, but I recently mailed to Arvind Srinivas, the CEO of Perplexity, because he had mentioned twice. First, that he'd be amazed if an Indian founder thought of making a social platform that can compete with Insta. And then second, he tweeted that can there be a social platform but for people with high intellect, I think is what he mentioned. But anyways, so we have mailed him, and lately we are also emailing some very prominent influencers who have their profile around math, mental math, and things around it, just things around it. So yeah, this is your sign of emailing people you admire and see if they can help. A lot of them might not reply, but if a few do, you got your shot. So yeah, that was for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.